My name is Farah Naili. I'm a master data analyst for Techtronic Industries. I'm basically in charge of making sure that all the information is correct in the system, in SAP, to provide smooth operations. So basically my job implied a lot of asking and begging our IT department to upload information. That was a problem because we had one main SAP specialist for the material master, and that meant that we had to ask that person to upload every single data that we wanted to upload. Seriously, I would spend so much time on just editing things manually because I couldn't wait for people to do uploads. My hands would literally hurt at the end of the day. When we implemented Winshuttle, the first script that I created was about creating materials, because that was the one thing that was taking me so much time that could be made in seconds with Winshuttle. And when I created that, we went from having a wait of up to 3 to 5 days from that person to do the upload for us, and with the Winshuttle script it went seconds. Every time we upload something, if we realize that there was an issue, somebody raises a flag of saying that wasn't right, that wasn't the right configuration for that material, then now we can just go back to the process. Instead of spending hours and hours just changing and correcting the system, we take seconds for that and we go back to the source to figure out why that mistake was made. My job went from editing materials to actually launching mass cleanups. In a year, I saved up over $200,000 to the company, and that was mainly on Material Master Edition. That was not even on Creation or all the other big scripts that I've been running. That's just the main one that I'm using constantly. It really changed the way that we're seen from the company, from the inside. We're not just the guys that are trying to take care of the data one by one. We're the guys who can fix the problems in seconds. We've gone from the group that was just there to try and create materials and keep everything clean to the group that's really literally a backup to IT. And we've moved on to process management now. I think they've really refocused their activity on changing, updating all the systems in the company. They've really gone just like us. They've gone from busy bees to actually thinking and doing a thinking job instead of just a manual labor. In an ideal world, anybody that already knows how to do their job in SAP should need Winshuttle, because chances are they're going to have to repeat the same tasks every day, over and over again, over the same transactions, over the same records. So even if it's for 10 records a day, I think Winshuttle is worth it.